So far I only have this blank project. Let's start adding some tracks and get some audio into this project. To add a track, go to the track menu and choose Insert New Track. The shortcut is Command-T on the Mac or Control-T on the PC. On the tracks, you have your volume and pan parameters, your mute and solo. This is your input selection. You'll see that under the input drop-down menu, you have audio and MIDI input options. What this means is that you can turn the track into an audio track or a MIDI track by simply changing the input. This is a bit different to other DAWs, where you either create an audio track or a MIDI track. It took me a while to get my head around this. I was searching all over, going where the bleep are the MIDI tracks, until I realized it depends on the input you choose. But there is an option to create a virtual instrument. I'll explain this setup in a later video. When you click on the effects, this will bring up any effects you want to add to the track, or it'll show you any effects that are already inserted. You have an invert phase switch, which comes in handy to reduce any phasing issues that you have in the mixing stage. Trim brings up the envelopes option. You can see all the envelope parameters that are available on this track. As you add more effects, more options will become available in the trim section. I'll expand more on the envelopes later in this tutorial, so stick around for that. And that's tracks for you. You can import or drag audio files onto the respective tracks, or you can record audio from your audio interface. The selection tool is quite nice to use. You can use it to select areas of the tracks, such as selecting an area and then looping that selection. But always keep an eye on your meters. You don't want these to go into the red, as your audio will clip and introduce digital distortion to the signal, which can be quite nasty. If you click on the Input-Output button, this will bring up more information regarding the track. This will show you the master output or the send. You can also set up sends and returns here. But don't worry, we'll go into more detail on these sections. We'll be looking at recording audio into Reaper next. Catch you then!